Hi, in this video, you will learn how to instantly connect your bank account using Stripe. Please be assured that your banking information is always safe with us. In order to connect your bank account, no matter where you are, click on Connect Stripe. This will take you to the Stripe login page. If you have an existing Stripe account, simply enter your email and password to get started. If you have a new email account, enter the email, enter the password here, and get started. You can mention your mobile number on the next page. You will receive an OTP to confirm your account. Enter the OTP to proceed to the next step. Click on Next. Now it's time to fill in some basic details. This will take you not more than 2 to 3 minutes. In this video, I will enter my address, my city, my postal code, and my state. If you are an individual teacher, trainer, or coach, please select individual and proceed. You can enter your legal name, your date of birth, and your permanent account number if you are based out of India. If you're based outside of India, you will be asked to enter your relevant ID issued by the government authorities in your country. Once you've entered this number, click on Next to proceed to the next step. Next up, please select the industry that you're going to operate in. Please select the website, URL, and mention a description of your product. Next up, you can mention the details about your IFSC code, your account number, and then finally you can confirm your account number. Once you've done this, you can click on Next. On the next step, you can enter your customer support phone number, if any. This is where all queries pertaining to your Stripe will be addressed. Once you've entered this, please click on Next. Please verify these details on the final page before clicking on Done. Once you click here, you're good to go and you're set up to finally start receiving payments and host paid lessons on Centrestage. There you go. Your Stripe account is now successfully connected. You can also visit your Stripe account at any time by clicking on New tab and going to stripe.com. You can log in out here by clicking on Sign In and using the same credentials that you used to create the Stripe account. On the Stripe dashboard, you can check your balances, your customer list, your connected accounts, and much more. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy hosting paid lessons on Centrestage. If you have any queries, please write to us at support@centrestage.live.